Fuerteventura, España. This is you will see there's always no trees because this lava, this was already lava last year. The lava is, I read from Wikipedia that the lava is already 1,000 years. This is Canary Island, group of Canary Island, which include Lanzarote, Fuerteventura, Las Palomas, Tenerife, Lanzarote, and all belongs to Canary Island. This is Fuerteventura, the island of Canary. This is lava. Lava, that is, the lava here is slopes. Of course, the lava is really black color. That is the side. That's the south side. And that is the, you can go to the beach in this area, but this looks like windy, so people not go because it's not allowed also in this side. But to the south side is already allowed because of smooth sand. Here is not so smooth. Thank you for watching. Please like, comments, and subscribe. Gracias, mi amor. This is the island of Fuerteventura. A group of islands, we call that Canary Island. This is the island of Fuerteventura, España. This is Atlantic Ocean. This is like a swimming pool, natural water. You will see the wind blowing to the swimming pool. And this is in front of me towards the African territory. And this is the Atlantic Ocean. This island consists of Canary Island, because many islands here, like Lanzarote, Tenerife, Fuerteventura, and Thank you for watching. This is Fuerteventura. Isla Fuerteventura, the group of Gran Canaria Island. This is the island of Fuerteventura. You will see here. It's very huge. You will see the sun. this is the sunset here in Fuerteventura, España, the Gran Canary Islands. So different sunset. This is here in Canary Island, Fuerteventura, España. Hola, buenos días, gracias amigos.